our way to? Who are we going to see? Who? You're whispering. I can't hear you. Chesney. Who is Chesney? Your new baby cousin. Cousin. We're officially an auntie and an uncle. We're going to see her. I got to see her last night, but we're going back today. Are you excited to be an uncle? Are you going to teach her all her cuss words?
Ain't that what the uncle's for, is to be the bad influence?
Yep.
And I feel like I can play that role very well.
Your first mission is to get her to hate Carolina.
Oh yeah, absolutely. I will try to influence that as much as I can for her to hate the Tar Heels. That will be my ultimate goal in life. If I can successfully get her to hate the Tar Heels while her mother and father loved them, I have succeeded.
Kinsley's saying North Carolina. We ask her where she's from, and she'll say North Carolina, right? Where are you from? I don't know. You just were saying it 2 seconds ago. You can't see? Is a balloon blocking you? Whose balloon is that? AA's? AA and Chesney's. But that's what we're doing first with our day. It's a bright Saturday morning. We're getting a little bit of fall weather, finally. Now that football started, and it's my favorite time of year.
Football has started.
Both the Chargers and the Panthers wrapped it up again last night.
I go Chargers.
Kinsley, that's not nice. She said Nana booing me because she got to go to the game last night and I didn't.
Both Charlotte 49ers football teams won.
Chris, and it's so shaky. Chris announced for the University of Charlotte
That's right.
last night a doubleheader in soccer. He's never announced for soccer before. He's only done football, but he announced for their soccer teams. So I now am married to a university level
Public address announcer.
Public address announcer. I was gonna say athletic announcer.
Both squads won 1-0 on the pitch. I'm even picking up the lingo.
I have no idea what you just said.
I really don't understand what I said either, so that's okay.
Alright. But I guess we'll see you afterwards. After we go see baby Chesney. We left the hospital. We are now going to Ross's because I need a new bathroom rug. My children have destroyed mine. What do you think of baby Chesney? What do you think of baby Chesney? Did you love her?
Yeah.
Was she so pretty and sweet?
Yes.
You rocked her like that? We love her, don't we?
Yeah. I'm gonna get in there.
Okay. There's a car show in the parking lot. Daddy, you have any words about being an uncle?
It's pretty cool.
I'm gonna
Pretty cool.
Here, Mommy.
She was tiny, wasn't she?
She was little. She was smaller than them too.
Tiny.
Oh, I
Alright.
got some Skinner playing in the background.
I hear that.
Can we still see? Can we get some free food stuff?
Do you like this one?
Sure.
gray might be better. Feel this one, okay? Feel this one. Which one do you like better?
This one, this one, this one.
That first one?
Just come here.
I think I do too. All right. Picked it out. What do you think about that one?
Don't care. Get whatever you want. Husband logic 101. We don't care. Just pick something so we can go.
I think I like this one the best. I think it'll match the silver thread the best.
Sure, whatever you have, buddy. We're just here in this world to appease the women.
Is that right? Okay, so we're getting a nautical one for $8.99. Let me make sure. That's more brown, isn't it?
What got a door?
I think that one.
Sold.
So,
Alright.
sold.
Put me
What did I say? Sold.
Sold. Put me down.
Okay. Do you think this would fit up under our little white seating?
What?
The little white couch.
Too big.
It's pretty high. Don't get in there, baby. Don't get in there.
Okay, no.
Because then we could put their toys in it and just slide it under there, and then they could pull it back out. That would be perfect.
It'll fit under there. Get it.
We can try it. Y'all are so happy, aren't you?
You took me in shopping. What did you expect?
You like mirrors? Are you cute? Let's roll, Smoke.
030190, where you at? You have just won the Lucas stabilizer. And the Madditive cool down. You giving 2-for-1 deals. I see how you work. He's tired of me talking. That's 030126, where you at? 030122?
You like that car?
I know. Nobody likes to win stuff. It's free. It's free. You don't have to do nothing. Going twice. Gone. We're going to the next one. Sir, you had a question about registration?
Bubba, you like these
You in the
cars?
comments, you had a question about registration?
Absolutely.
What's your name? Mobine. Tell everybody where you're from.
I'm from Charlotte, North Carolina.
Charlotte, North Carolina, the Queen City. Now, you want to register your vehicle?
Did you have fun looking at the cars? Did you pick which one you want to drive? Which one you want to drive? What color is it?
That one.
That one? The blue bug? So we're at Highway 55 now. We're going to eat some burgers. You're not eating a burger? You're eating chicken tenders. Bobo, did you like the cars? He wants that food that he's not buying. I know. Your food's coming.
Play me.
Did you get your face painted like Poppy? Oh, how cute. Bobo, your belly's hanging out.
That's what fat boys do. It's hot.
Let's go shopping.
I'm tired of shopping.
Watch out.
Shine.
Look. Did you pick out a hair bow? What kind of hair bow do you need? Poppy, is that you? Oh, it's KK. I thought you were Poppy. Are we shopping?
Sun.
Where are we shopping at?
I know.
Follow us.
No. We need something.
I bet they don't have your size panties. We're on our way home from shopping. Chris is shopped out for probably 2 months.
2 years.
We got a lot of good stuff though.
That was the worst store I've ever been to in my life.
Well, it's closing down, so you don't have to worry about it. What, baby? Yesterday was so nice and cool. It felt like fall, and now it's what? What's the temperature? 90 degrees. You know? I know too, because it's hot.
Bad thing is that store had no air conditioning. So it's 90 outside, so it was probably
360
about 100 in that store. My wife was taking her sweet dilly time. She said, "Oh, look up Target brands in here."
Sometimes you have to suffer to get a good deal.
No. To a man, Target brands mean nothing. To a man's going to sit on his couch, order what he wants off of Amazon, or what he needs off of Amazon, have it delivered in 2 days, and he don't even have to get up from his comfortable chair, watching the game, drinking a cold one.
Speaking of cold ones, can I get a Coke?
No, you just spent $90 at some place called Follow Bob's or something. Follows, whatever. I'll call it junk.
It's not junk. He picked himself some clothing out, so I don't know why all this junk he's
My
talking.
wife picked me out some clothing.
Box.
I found one shirt.
And I helped you find 3 more.
3 more.
How many Henleys did you get?
I don't even know what they was that what they're called? Like I know what the heck they're called.
It's called a Henley.
It's called a shirt.
He looks really good in them. I'm always down for him to buy those. He's sweet.
Yeah, it was 100 degrees in that store and you're taking your time and I'm like, we gotta go.
I wasn't taking my time. I was just digging for deals.
Just tearing up stuff too. That's what you're doing.
My backpack got caught on a rack and I couldn't hardly get out of the floor.
I took the whole dadgum rack.
Fun times.
No, not fun times.
I always have fun shopping.
Miserable times. Yeah, because you use my credit card to buy it all. Of course you had fun shopping.
I have fun when I pay too. Just more fun when you're paying.
Listen,
KK, did you have fun? Oh, I mean Poppy. Did you have fun, Poppy? What did you get?
I don't know.
What did you get to sleep in?
I don't know.
Pajamas? Yes, you did. And dresses? Yes, you did. You tell stories. Poppy, don't tell stories. Is Bobo asleep yet? Is Bobo asleep?
Yeah.
He looks
Like
pretty
that.
still. I can't look. He's turned backwards.
I see him.
You see him? He's asleep?
Yeah.
Okay.
You see him, Mommy?
We're going to let Kinsley and Chris take a nap.
No.
I'm going to start on cleaning the house. think that's all you have planned for the rest of the day, isn't it?
I'm alright if we don't leave the house the rest of the day.
Got it. Alright, until then. We'll see y'all later. Everybody just woke up from their nap. Some people are still waking up. Poppy, are you awake? Poppy!
Did you get my shirt dirty?
Who wants to go swimming? Not you? You do? Okay. Bobo, okay. Go. You do now? Because Bobo does? Is that how it works? Tell Daisy, get our pool ready.
Alright.
What do you say?
Yeah.
The magic words.
Please.
Yep.
Alright, well, let's go get the pool
Just
ready.
check the mail. Got an Amazon package with some Mederma. Bo has a nasty scar on his forehead from where he fell. And so we're going to use this and see if it helps. If you've had to get rid of a nasty scar, leave a comment and tell me how you got rid of yours. Because I don't want him to have a scar in the middle of his forehead.
Mommy,
What, baby?
what are you doing?
Opening my mail. Got a package here with some more paparazzi jewelry. Poppy's going to help me open my mail. Let's see what's in there. Oh, a bracelet. A black sparkly bracelet. We like. Oh, this is a lot. Let's open it.
Oh, please. Please.
It's got black stones and silver. I prefer long necklaces, but I also get some short.
I can't
Like
see.
this
I
one.
can't see
You can't
that.
see it?
I can't see it. I'm turning away.
She wants to be able to see herself. Oh, are you modeling it? Model that hair. Say fresh nap. Look, there's more.
Huh?
Here, pull the bag. We have this little bracelet.
Going over it.
Can you not get it? We also got some Christmas presents back there, didn't we?
Yeah.
We can't show them because they might get seen by somebody. There you go.
I have cut that tag off.
I don't think that you need to use those scissors. Mommy will do it.
Do that.
It's got this pretty stone. Got a real pretty stone. Can you put those down?
You're going to it.
We're going to go swimming.
No.
You don't want to go swimming? Poppy, I thought you wanted to go swimming. We're going to go swimming, then we're going to cook dinner. Sound good? Sound like a plan, Stan? Let's do it. The pieces up close since I was having a little bit of help there. Those are the earrings for the short necklace. And then this necklace, sorry my finger keeps getting in the way, came with those. Did Daddy get you wet?
Mama, that way.
Bobo's got the hose.
Yeah.
Bobo?
No. No, no.
Bobo, get in. Bobo, get in. Y'all got dirt on the side now.
I got in pool now.
Bobo, get in the pool.
Go.
We're eating in the living room tonight, aren't we? Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
We've got Instant Pot, pork loin, what's that place called? Red Lobster, Cheddar Bay biscuits, corn, mac and cheese, and potatoes.
The only thing good from Red Lobster.
There's not much green in our family. Bubba's sitting in front of my table with my laundry on it. How is it? Is it good, Bubba? Our day is finally over. We got supper ate. We got the kids to bed. I folded army for a small. I folded laundry for a small army. I need to go to bed. I'm taking off my makeup now. It's a very eventful day. Very tiring day. I have a long day tomorrow. I'm hosting a paint party and it's my mom's 50th birthday. So I'm going to hang out with her. We're going to take her out to eat. It's going to be fun. I am painting a pumpkin for my door for fall with my last initial on there. Last initial. Can you tell how tired I am? I don't even make sense. Got my old RC cola here. It's good stuff. I hope that you had a great day. A fun Saturday. Gonna have a fun Sunday. And then it'll be back to work. So, I'm gonna do a whole little separate haul video for my buy list stuff that I got. I got 2 huge bags. That store is going out of business. Everything is 20 to 40% off. So it is near the Best Buy in Gastonia. I don't know how long they'll be open. The employees were not very helpful. They were swamped. That store was so busy and their air conditioner was out, so it was 200 degrees, and that just kind of amps up everybody. But when we were giving Kinsley a bath, we realized that the pink paint stained her head, so we are currently in the search for something that can take that off, because she still has a little like green hair from where the lady at Sally's dyed her hair in that little spot. It still hasn't gone away. So if you see my kid and she's got green hair and a pink forehead, just know that we're living our best life over here at the Ewan household. Anyways, until next time, remember, if you don't have anything nice to say, shut your glam mouth and have an RC. It's better to have something cold and refreshing than to spread hate. Alright guys, see y'all later. Bye.